Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to create a contact form in Google Sites for 2025. If you're building a website and want an easy way for visitors to get in touch, this is perfect for you. Google Sites has gotten even more user-friendly with the latest updates, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Head over to sites.google.com and select the site you want to edit, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once you're in the editor, look for the Insert menu at the top. Click on it and choose Form from the options. This will open up Google Forms, which integrates seamlessly with Google Sites. Now, in Google Forms, you'll see a blank form. Start by giving it a title, like Contact Us, and add a description to guide your visitors. Next, add the fields you need. For a basic contact form, include a short answer for the name, an email field for their address, and a paragraph for their message. Don't forget to make the email field required so you actually get usable info. Customize it further by going to the Responses tab in Google Forms. You can link it to a Google Sheet to automatically collect submissions. That's a game changer for organization. Back in Google Sites, drag and drop the form into your desired page section. Resize it if needed, and preview how it looks on different devices. Before you publish, test the form yourself. Fill it out and submit to ensure everything works smoothly. Once you're happy, hit Publish on your site. And there you have it, a professional contact form up and running. This feature is super handy for small businesses or personal sites, and with 2025's enhancements, it's faster than ever. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.